Hello everyone, hope usuku lakho luhamba kahle. I-March and March ke namhlanje ikhiphe isitatimende sokuthi uNgizwe uyamiswa kuyona-ke i-March and March ngenxa yokuthi-ke unezinsolo-ke ezisaphenda ama-investigation asaphenda ngayo. Ezinye-ke izinsolo-ke abandakanya kuzona-ke izona-ke lezi ze-gender based violence-ke yamazi-ke kuyitabane ukuthi akayifuni iyitabane. Yikona-ke loko abakade bekubhalile khona laphayana kwisitatimende sabo. Abasikhipheni namhlanje emini ku-X. Abaningi-ke sebeyakhala-ke bayasho ukuthi sekuyizinkomba nje zokuthi vele angazuthi akusathelelwana amanzi khona laphana ku-March and March. Sekuyindlela vele yokuthi bamsuse yena uNgizwe Mchunu, kanti-ke abanye bathi-ke uthola into ayidizevayo olandelayo kufanele kube uyena-ke uphayela umthathe ngoba bakwazi ukuthi badayise ngawo-ke umkhankaso wayo-ke i-March and March. So yisona-ke lesi statement-ke abasikhiphile namhlanje ekuseni. Kanti-ke futhi-ke naye-ke uNgizwe-ke usephendulile-ke ngako konke-ke lokhu osekwenzekile okuthuse abaningi-ke izinkulumo zakhe. Asishone khona esomlalela-ke ukuthi uthini uNgizwe. Uma ukuthi uyaqala ukufika la, make sure ukuthi ushiya usubscribe-ile ukuze ungeke phela uze uphuthelwe amavidiyo afana nalawo. Asishone khona ngingamosha isikhathi sakho.
Ngoba iqiniso limile, as much as singakuzuzile konke kodwa futhi we can't march forever. Iqiniso limile lelo, iqiniso lonke, iqiniso lodwa. Iqiniso lelo ngoba asinayo inhloso yokucollapse economy. Futhi ngikhuluma lokho njengesenior yomuntu okwaziyo ukuboshwa, and futhi they are junior to me. They are excited about every situation. Limelight, relevancy, and everything. I'm no longer excited. I'm visionary. I know what to do and when to do it. So where someone is weaker, someone has to protect each other. Someone has to elevate each other.
Okay everyone, ngizwile-ke uNgizwe-ke echaza ukuthi okungapheli kuyahlola nanokuthi phela ngeke kuze kumatch forever. So sekukubona ukuthi wena uyibona kanjani le ndaba. So comment that down below wena owakho umbono ukuthi kahle kahle ngempela unibona kanjani lento-ke. And siyafisa nanokwazi ukuthi kahle kahle ngempela kubangwini ngoba akusona nje isizathu leso sokuthi kungaze kuxoshwe umuntu ngenxa nje yokuthi unamacala aphendayo, unezinsolo aphenda kuzona, but asazi ukuthi kwenzakaleni ngelinye ilanga liyovela-ke. But siyivala lana-ke ividiyo namhlanje siyibeka umqi. I really hope to enjoy le video namhlanje. If we enjoy le, make sure to smash lo like button, uphinde usmash nalo subscribe button, and mina-ke I will see you in the next video. Bye.